Hey, welcome to DuanesWorld. It's me, Duane, the BoozinBlogger, coming at you with another episode of Cooking with DuanesWorld. That's right, today we are going to make bacon bombs. Onion bacon bombs. Now they're pretty simple. You need some hamburger. I'm using medium. You need some bacon. Some Worcestershire sauce. Some breadcrumbs, of course garlic salt, parm, and an egg. And then you're going to need barbecue sauce near the end. Okay, so what this concoction takes is 425 for 40 minutes or until cooked to 165 through or anything. Okay, so first thing we got to do is we got to get our hamburger, put it into the bowl, one egg, throw it in there, and then a cup of breadcrumbs, 1 cup of breadcrumbs, tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce, okay, and then we've got 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of minced garlic, 1 cup of shredded parm. There we go, folks. It's all ready to be mixed up. Then we just mix it up. Okay, once we have our meat all mixed up, we put it aside. All right, so now we take some onions, and we need our bacon. Now what we got to do is cut the onion in half. That's it, and now we peel out the layers, which isn't always easy to do. I haven't found an easier way to do this yet, but you get all your layers. This is the slow, tedious part, by the way, because you're trying not to break your onion pieces. So you want them to come out like this so that they can be put back together. All right, so we've got our onions prepared, our meat prepared, and our bacon is here. So now the easy part. What we do is we take our hamburger, okay? Roll it into a ball, just like this. Just roll it into a ball. And then we put a piece of onion. Then we just put it in between a piece of an onion on the outside like that. Then we take a piece of bacon. Wrap up the bacon. Okay, there's 1, and we take 2 pieces of bacon for this part, so we get it. So now you've got this fully covered in bacon. Look how good. Doesn't that look good? Just all that bacon, a big bacon ball. Okay, now you take a toothpick to hold your bacon in place. Just push it right through there. That'll hold it in place. Okay, so then you just continue. You make more and more of them. What you do then, you get your sided dish so that there's no spillage into the oven. Remember, Pam for the pan, right? Okay. Okay, we spray her up. And we put that puppy right in there. And then we continue. So you just continue rolling up meatballs. Basically, that's all they are, meatballs. You just keep rolling them up and stuffing them together with onion. Some of them might be weird looking. Like, I mean, you know, some of the pieces aren't the ones, you know, they didn't match up with the other side, but that's fine. As long as you get the onion and wrap it in the wrap it in the bacon. There you go. There's our second one. They're really easy to make. All right, now you're probably wondering, hey, what is Duane making with these bacon bombs? Because he always serves a side, right? Today we're going to do potato wedges, which means we don't actually have to peel them, which is kind of nice, but we do have to wash them. So wash your potatoes here. All right, so now we're going to cut them into wedges, right? So basically just keep cutting them. You see what I'm doing here? Like wedges, you know, kind of like an apple. That's what they turn out like. All right, so there is our potatoes all wedged up. Now what we're going to do is we're going to add something to them, because what we're going to do, okay, here's the trick. We've never done this before, so this is going to be a first time. We are going to add shake and bake to them and cook them and have like shake and bake potatoes. Sounds cool. We're not sure what it's actually going to turn out like. All right, now to get messy yet again. All right, so we're going to put this stuff, we're going to put mayo, olive oil, and then we're going to mix this around in it. The reason why we're putting these in is to help it stick to the potatoes. So a glob of mayo, some olive oil. You can use virgin, extra virgin, whatever. I just use what I got. Oh, I want to put just a touch of Mrs. Dash. We use Mrs. Dash for almost everything. So there is a little bit of Mrs. Dash. Okay. Tinfoil lined baking sheet. All right. Now, pour this stuff in here. Oh, good pick. All right. Now the fun part begins. Get messy. This is what she looks like. Looks not bad though. Looks pretty good. These are your bacon bombs. All ready for the thing. Oven is at 425, ready for a 40-minute cook. Alright, so it's been cooking for about 50 minutes because I didn't think it looked cooked enough. My potato wedges are already done. They turned out really nice, the potato wedges. Now we've got, anyways, we're going to pull the bacon bombs out, and now you coat them in your favorite barbecue sauce. Now, let's get this stuff out. This is what they look like now. They look pretty good, eh? Oh, they are so tasty. All right, so now we take our favorite barbecue sauce. Mine happens to be Sweet Baby Ray's, hickory, and brown sugar. Yep. So now you just squirt it over all of them. Take a basting brush, sort of wipe them around. You don't have to get them fully basted, but just so that it touches most of them. All right, so now we got it all basted. Back in she goes for another 10 minutes, and then they are done. All right, so it's been 10 minutes. We're going to pull these puppies out. There is a vision of beauty right there. What's not to like? Right, one last thing to do. Plate this puppy up. The potato wedges actually look pretty good. There we go. All right. Give this a taste. wedges are great. Now with your bacon bomb, remember we used a toothpick. Get rid of that. Okay, so let's see what we got here. Nice and cooked all the way through. Look at that steam coming off that puppy. All right. That, my friends, is absolutely amazing. Those bacon bombs worked great. There you have it, folks. We made it through another episode of Cooking with what? DuanesWorld. That's right. Please subscribe to my channel if you like these videos. I'll keep them coming. I'm keeping them coming whether you like them or not. So it doesn't matter. You're not getting rid of me. I'm back on Friday with a vlog. And maybe a short on Monday. Who knows? You never know where I'm going to pop up. Remember, take care of yourselves. Take care of each other. Remember the most important thing in life. Don't be a fucking asshole.